can never get enough of this opium. Oh, the crashing sound of the breaking waves down here. Now I've been sitting here most of the day. Don't know why it's so hard to tear myself away. I can almost hear the ocean talking to me, saying, what are you waiting for? When life is an open door, it will never get easier than this. It will never be more difficult to miss. So what are you waiting for? If life is an open door, no one in this world knows where I am. So I think I'll stay for as long as I can. Sure could use a word of advice. Just see things clearly. Now wouldn't that be nice? Dear ocean, won't you talk to me and say, what are you waiting for? When life is an open door, yeah, what are you waiting for? 'Cause it would